Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching UV Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you one popular application. This application name is Google Map. This application will work without Wi-Fi, without mobile data. So that one I will show you how to do that one. So let's start my video. So guys, after coming mobile screen, then you have to open Google Map. Then here you have to click on your account. Then here you can see offline map. Here already I download Dubai and home my map one. So here you have to select. If you don't have like this, so you have to download first. When you have Wi-Fi or your data, you have to download. So you have to click on here, select your own map. Okay, I will click here. Then you just make like this. If you want to make a whole Dubai, if you are staying in Dubai or in UAE full, you can make you can zoom in. Then example here like this. Then you have to download. So it will take little time for updating. So it's downloading. So here you can see the map is downloading for offline. It will take within minute. So here you can see the map 2, it's already download. I'll just rename this one, the name whole UAE. Okay, so here you can see I download already. So just go back. So this one already download on our mobile. So now we will see live proof. So guys, now I will show you how live proof and how to use without internet, without Wi-Fi, how to use. I will show you now. So now I will show you here. See, I will close my Wi-Fi, I will close my mobile data, then it will work. So go back to here. Then I will open the maps. Then click on destination. Then write which place you want to go. Example, I want to go international city. Okay, see it's working. So I will click just start. Then it will work. See, it's working. My data is still close, my Wi-Fi is still close. So I will drive also, so we can see that is working or no. So let's get started. So here you can see it's moving. So you can see here. This one will work without data, without Wi-Fi. You can use this one, and then another option I will show you how you can use. From example, someone send you the location, so that one also I will show you how to you can use. So I'll just example, I will go back. Then I will display this one. I'll open WhatsApp. So here I have someone send me the location. Example how this one is working also, no? So this is the location my friend he sent me. Example, I will click this one, Dubai map. So this one is the other one, the location. So the direction. So here you can see also this one also working. I will click just start. See, this one is also working. You can see my data is still close, my Wi-Fi also close. So without data, without Wi-Fi, it will work. Really, this is very helpful and it's working also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.